Welcome to Ignite India Education, India's leading design, architecture, fine arts, law and management entrance exam preparation ISO 9001:2015 certified institute. Download the Ignite India app to get free access to NATA study materials and to know all top-ranking architecture colleges admission. Download free PDF with all college ranking details from Ignite India app. Fill registration form for a free counseling session in the top-ranking architecture colleges admission. The link is kept in the video description. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon button to get all notifications whenever we will be uploading our new video. Download Ignite India app. Stay safe, stay positive, good luck. We'll see you in next video.